We administer the critical repair program as well as the neighborhood revitalization program. These programs are very beneficial to the City of Abilene as far as our low-income household family members that could qualify for possible home repairs. For critical, it could be anywhere from roofing, electrical, HVAC repair, especially with the summer months coming around, sewer leaks, handicap accessibility.
They painted the house as well as a new roof, and we got a central air and central heat, a new bathtub, just a whole lot of things that my house needed that I couldn't afford because of my disability.
There's times where clients come upon repairs that their insurance may not cover, or they've been down on luck because of employment, family issues, and that's where we step in. These are your funds that you've worked for your whole life, so might as well use them and use them in our community. You know, it's a helping hand.
It's just a blessing, you know, it's a real blessing for them, you know, because none of this stuff I know I could do myself because everything's so expensive. So I'm just so appreciative of them and all the stuff they do.